Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the model image. This is the model image today we are going to use. The first step, go to tools, tap on adjust, tap on the saturation and make it -100. Second step, go to brightness, decrease the brightness to -40. Go to contrast, increase little contrast to 20. Now go to clarity, increase the clarity to 10, and go to highlights, decrease the highlights to -30. Go to shadow, decrease the shadow to -10. Now go to temperature, decrease the temperature to -10. Now tap on eraser, tap on this background. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on tick. The next step, go to FX, tap on this simple and go to lost and tap on this slow-mo and decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Now tap on tick. Now go to add photo and select the cards PNG. The cards PNG. Now go to blend and you have to make it lighten and you have to arrange it on the background like this. Okay, it is perfect. Now tap on this eraser, tap on this invert, now tap on this restore, keep the hardness to 100 and size around 50. Now have to start drawing on the background like this. Friends, it is perfect. Now tap on tick. The next step, go to adjust. You have to increase the brightness, you have to increase the contrast and increase the clarity, and you have to increase the highlights little more, and you have to increase the shadow little more. Now tap on tick. Perfect. Next step, go to FX, tap on this FX and tap on this HDR and tap on this eraser, tap on this background. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the PNG, lightning PNG. Simply go to blend, you have to make it screen and simply stretch it like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. In the final step, go to FX, tap on this FX, go to last and tap on this vignette and keep this around 50 and fade it around 40. Perfect. Now tap on it. If you want, you can simply final touch up, go to tools, go to adjust, increase the contrast little bit and decrease the little highlights and give little shadow. It is perfect. Now tap on it. Friends, finally our special cards photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before image and this is the final output. Tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.